What is blood sugar? Blood sugar is the carbohydrate present in the blood and is obtained from the food consumed. It is the main source of energy for the body cells. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels of blood can strike issues to health. Factors that cause blood sugar levels to rise are overeating in one meal, eating foods high in simple carbohydrates, inactive lifestyle, side effects of certain medications such as steroids, stress, dehydration, and an insulin or diabetes medication dosage. Choosing the right foods with adequate nutrients will help keep blood sugar levels in check. Glycemic index and role of macronutrients. The glycemic index, GI, of foods determines their potential of raising blood sugar levels. Eating foods with a low glycemic index, less than or equal to 55, does not cause spurts in blood sugars. Macronutrients in food also play crucial roles in defining their effects on blood sugar. Carbohydrates in foods are broken down into simple sugars by the digestive system and released into the bloodstream as glucose. As the glucose levels rise in the blood, the cells are stimulated by insulin to take in the glucose for energy. However, in the case of diabetes, glucose uptake by body cells is modified due to a lack of insulin or an inappropriate response to insulin resistance, leading to rise in blood sugar levels. Dietary proteins and fats have minimal effect on blood glucose and thereby do not lead to spikes. It is therefore recommended to consume meals that provide a combination of these macros. Protein-rich foods can be combined with medium to low carbohydrate sources and healthy fats to prevent blood sugar rise. What are the foods that are unlikely to spike blood sugar? Foods that don't spike blood sugars are generally low in GI and high in protein. Choosing such low GI foods make overall health better and prevent chronic illnesses. Here are 110 foods classified based on their food group that can be your guide to preventing blood sugar spikes. Cereals and grains. Grains and cereals are primarily made up of carbohydrates. Below are some of them that are unlikely to spike blood sugar. 1. Red rice. 2. Oatmeal porridge. 3. Oat bran. 4. Popcorn. 5. Polenta, cornmeal porridge. 6. Wheat bran porridge. 7. Black rice porridge. 8. Pearl millet. 9. Buckwheat pancakes. 10. Whole wheat noodles. 11. Multigrain crackers. 12. Finger millet. 13. Quinoa. 14. All bran cereals. 15. Pearl barley. 16. Brown rice. 17. Bulgur wheat. 18. Barnyard millet. 19. Little millet. 20. Mung bean noodles. Fruits and vegetables are important sources of minerals, vitamins, polyphenols, carotenoids, and flavonoids. Choosing non-starchy vegetables is essential to prevent blood sugar spikes. Vegetables. 21. Bell peppers. 22. Broccoli. 23. Tomato. 24. Lettuce. 25. Eggplants. 26. Garlic. 27. Sweet peppers. 28. Cucumber. 29. Cauliflower. 30. Spinach. 31. Green peas. 32. Parsnips. 33. Cooked taro. 34. Lotus root powder. 35. Steamed white yam. 36. Collard. 34. Kale. 38. Raw carrot. 39. Artichoke. 40. Asparagus. 41. Zucchini. 42. Onion. Fruits. 43. Strawberry. 44. Apples. 45. Avocado. 46. Pears. 47. Dried dates. 48. Grapefruit. 49. Orange. 50. Peach. 51. Prunes. 52. Lemons. 53. Limes. 54. Blueberry. 55. Blackberries. 56. Raspberries. 57. Tangerines. 58. Papaya. 59. Dried apricots. 60. Cherries. 61. Plums. 62. Grapes. 63. Kiwifruit. 64. Pomegranate. 65. Cantaloupe. Beans and legumes. Some of the beans and legumes that shine minimal effect on blood glucose levels. 66. Black beans. 67. Navy beans. 68. Kidney beans. 69. Pinto beans. 70. Lentils, 71. Soybeans, 72. Chickpeas, 73. Baked beans, 74. Dried beans, 75. Snow peas, 76. Romano beans, 77. Mung beans. Dairy and non-dairy products. Milk and its products have all three macronutrients with a high proportion of fat and protein. Here are some of the dairy and non-dairy products that one can vouch for maintaining optimal blood sugars. 78. Whole or full-fat milk. 79. Yogurt, skim and whole. 80. Greek yogurt. 81. Dark chocolate. 82. Soy milk. Baked products. One need not worry avoiding baked products due to blood sugar concerns. The below-listed baked products can be great choices. 83. Mixed grain bread. 84. Spelt bread. 85. Sourdough bread. Nuts are good sources of healthy fats and protein and can be great snacks to munch without worrying about blood sugar spikes. 86. Cashews. 87. Peanuts. 88. Almonds. 89. Chestnuts. 90. Hazelnuts. 91. Pecans. 92. Walnuts. 93. Flax seeds. 94. Chia seeds. 95. Pumpkin seeds. 99. Sunflower seeds. 97. Poppy seeds. Animal foods and oils contain higher proportion of fats and protein, thereby does not reflect on blood sugar concentrations. Animal foods. 98. Fishes like salmon, sardine, herring, tuna, etc. 99. Chicken. 100. Turkey. 101. Game meats. 102. Eggs. Oils and fats. 103. Olive oil. 104. Canola oil. 105. Sunflower oil. 106. Peanut oil. 107. Peanut butter. Sauces add taste and moisture to food. Try out these sauces that are unlikely to spike blood sugars. 108. Cranberry catsup. 109. Hollandaise sauce. 110. Black bean salsa.